In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace a motor, idler, or a panel on tube for a patio roller shade. Follow along for a smooth and damage-free process. Start by running the shade to its upper limit. If the shade has a head box or extruded pocket, remove the front cover. For shades with side tracks, remove the hem bar pins from the side tracks. For panel on tube replacement for cable guide shades, cutting the cables is necessary. Cut the cables just below the hem bar. Loosen the crimping screw on the tension bolt and remove the cable. 2 new cables and copper sleeves will be required for reinstallation. Next, remove the retaining clip or cotter pin from the motor head. Remove the shade from the mounting brackets and place it on a flat protected surface. For panel on tube replacement, remove the hem bar from the hem pocket. Hand roll the fabric until the metal roller tube is exposed. Starting on the motor end, locate and remove the screws from the motor drive to the roller tube. Slide the motor assembly out of the roller tube. If replacing the idler, remove the screws securing the idler and slide the idler assembly out of the tube. For a panel on tube replacement, the new roller tube will arrive without a motor or idler installed. Hand roll the fabric until the metal roller tube is exposed. For this application, install the existing motor and idler. Replacement motors are shipped with the correct crown and drive already attached. To install a motor, align the motor drive with the keyways inside the roller tube and slide the motor into place. Secure it using the screws that were previously removed. For idler replacement, insert the new idler into the tube, ensuring the keyways are properly aligned, and secure it with the appropriate screws. Once the motor and/or idler is installed, reinstall the shade into the mounting brackets. If needed, insert the hem bar into the hem pocket. Then reinstall it into the side tracks or install new cables and copper sleeves as required. Restore power and run the shade up and down to verify proper operation. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, visit Instaroll.com.